Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed, left a comment or appreciate my content. It really means a lot to me. I am truly happy if any of my video will help you in any way. So if you ever have any question, issues or need help with your website, feel free to reach out to me. You will find my contact details in the description box. So now let's move on to today's topic. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a phone number input field with the country flag drop down in your Elementor form. This means when someone visits your site and fills out the form, they can choose their country code along with the flag, making the form more user friendly and professional, just like the international website have. So let's get started. So this is the form where I want to add a phone number field with country flags. As you can see here, when I try to add a new field in Elementor, in their type option, there is no field related to this. There is only a tel or number field, but it only gives me a basic input field. No country drop down, no flag, just plain text. So what we are going to do is to install a plugin. So for installing a plugin, go to the WordPress dashboard and add a new plugin. In the search bar, you can write country code for Elementor or phone input with country flag, like this kind of text. So now you will see the plugin appears. It should be the first result. So go ahead and install it and then click activate. Once that's done, come back to your Elementor form and refresh the page. I have already refreshed the page. So now let's go back to the phone number field. So click on the field and under the type drop down, you can select tel. Now you can see you can also drag the field to change its position in the form if you want to rearrange the things. Once it's selected, you can give it a label like phone number or write your phone number etc. It's totally up to you. Now the main important thing is you can see there's a new option appears, country code. Just enable this option and you will see more settings pop up. Now you can set a default country, which means that country flags and code will appear by default in the drop-down. You can also include or exclude specific countries if you want to limit the choice. If needed, you can also adjust the column width to make the form layout more good. There is also option for auto detect country, but that feature is only available in the pro version of the plugin. So that's it. Once you are happy with the setup, just save the changes and publish the page. And let's go to the actual website and check it out how it is looking. As you can see, the phone field now looks really clean and professional with the country flag and code drop down. Now let's check its responsiveness, like we will check it in a mobile view. As you can see, it's look great here too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If it helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.